Dear viewers, welcome to this program. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. Please subscribe to this channel and support your boy. In this channel, we bring it to you how it's happening, exactly how the news occurred, when it occurred, and the accuracy of it, the importance and implications to all of us. And we also do that in regard to politics, security, education, social and cultural perspectives. So in this program, I want to bring to you the current or trending news with regards to the security issues in the country. So yesterday, Governor Rotimi Akeredolu of Ondo State banned cattle movement. So and gave the Fulani Herdsmen 7 days ultimatum to vacate Ondo forest, and also banned night grazing and as well grazing on the major roads. So now the ultimatum he gave to them actually started on Monday, 18th January, which is yesterday, 2021. So on this occasion, one we now certify and of course see one of the reasons why we do say that IPOB leads and the others follows. Again, are this kind of governor and the governors of Southwest, are they actually different from the governors of Southeast and South-South, so-called political zones? Now, what stops the formation and recognition of already formed security network outfits in the rest of the two zones? Are they being ignorant of the fact that the security situation in the country is worsening on a daily basis? That the lives of their citizens are under threat? So one wonders why exactly and what exactly these people are up to. Are their political interest and, selfish aggrandizements and all that more important than the lives of the citizens which they claim that they govern? So what they always constantly do is just to think about who becomes what, where and how, and whichever political party in the nearest future. It's a call for concern. So, but as usual, Arewa Consultative Forum also reacted to Governor Akeredolu's ultimatum to headers. So, in their reactions, they said that the Headsmen is also a problem in the northern Nigeria. So that is not also that they are also facing the same problem in northern Nigeria, that they are not also facing the same the problem alone in the southwest. This is a diplomatic statement because like they always use subtle diplomacy whenever it concerns the southwest, to constantly keep them in their ally queue, with regards to their illegalities they are conducting in the country. So, but it takes the harboring of their excesses by the Southwest for them to always actualize their dreams of penetrating Nigeria, which I knew as it stands now that the Southwest political stakeholders are waking up, and they are not ready to take all these things into cognizance any longer. So, but they said that is the Arewa Consultative Forum, that they are going to, stay back. They are not going to, say something yet until Mayetiala themselves reacts, because of the fact that they represent a lot of, social interest, that is, with regards to people they are representing, they are not. So that they are not going to speak on behalf of Mayetiala yet. Let Mayetiala speak for themselves before they know the next direction to take. Do you know why? This is, like I said, diplomatic approach. If it is Southeast, for instance, geopolitical zone, they will just voice out anything as usual. So they will just voice out anything without considering the implications of the utterances. So, but for the fact that they are already facing their doom in Southeast, same with South, I'm using this terminology for the fact that we need to describe the areas which all these things are occurring. Because as far as I know, Old Eastern region is Old Eastern region. Southwest is Southwest, that's Western Nigeria. So, or Western region so-called. So, the reason for saying this is for people to know that they are already facing the threat in all these zones and having similar or facing similar fate in Southwest is as good as they have lost out. And that is why the Southwest must stand up since they have woken up, because since the formation of Amotekun is as good as nothing was formed until they saw Eastern Security Network performing the miracle. So they summoned courage to swing into action. And it's something to appraise them for, because it's not easy for one to wake up as a result of something. And if one happens to, then there is every need to tell the person bravo. So bravo to Amotekun for doing the best they can. Whatever or whichever thing that influences them, whether or not it's Eastern Security Network or not, whether in the perspectives of what is happening in the East or not, the fact is that they have woken up to the standard. So, and choose to take their fate by their own hands to protect their people. So, the good thing about their action is that their political leaders are also in line with their own activities. And that is one thing to be proud of. So, Mayetiala, in their own responses, they said that if the governor requests them to vacate the forest, where will they graze? These people and their audacity is at every point. So they won't even be afraid of the fact that they are at loss. They will be bargaining as if they are in the position to tell you what to do and how to do it. So where will they graze? As if the Southwest is their rightful homes, or if they have the right to continue using the forest reserves for their kidnapping activities and all that. So, because according to the governor, that they have converted the forest reserves for where they hide out all their kidnapped victims. And when you look at it, there's evidences to prove this. Being the one in charge of the security issues of his state. So the ones that have not recognized this is because they have not, made the necessary effort to look into such thing. So, but for the governor to do so, everyone should encourage him. He should not back down The people needs to be protected. So that's it for this program. We keep bringing it to you how it happened and how it is trending. Subscribe to this channel if you've not. Support your boy. And bye for now.